Artemis is the Olympian goddess of the hunt, the moon, and is one of the most respected of all the ancient Greek deities. She was the daughter of Zeus, king of the gods, and the Titaness Leto, and she has a twin brother, the god Apollo. Artemis was worshipped as one of the primary goddesses of childbirth, along with Eileithyia. Much like Athena and Hestia, Artemis preferred to remain a maiden, and is sworn never to marry. Artemis is depicted as a young, beautiful, and vigorous huntress, carrying a quiver with arrows and holding a bow, typically wearing a short knee-high tunic, and often accompanied by some animal. Artemis and Apollo were two twin born by the king of the gods, Zeus, and Leto, a daughter of the Titans, Coos and Phoebe. Leto was very gracious and lovable deity, but was hated by Hera, the wife of Zeus, for having seduced her husband. So, when Leto became pregnant, and Hera found out, she explicitly forbade any place under the sun to offer shelter to the sinful woman. She even held her daughter, Eileithyia, the goddess of childbirth, firmly in her arms, to prevent her from supporting Leto on her labor. There seemed to be no place all over Greece willing to offer a shelter to Leto, so she was wandering around desperately and aimlessly. Finally, Leto discovered a tiny Cycladic island, close to Mykonos named Asteria. This island was beaten by the waves, and blown by the wind, and didn't even have a fixed position in the sea. When Leto was settled on the island became firm, and its name was changed into Delos. For 9 days and 9 nights, Leto was suffering from strong pains, until on the 10th day, Leto went close to a small lake, leaned against a palm tree, and gave birth to Artemis, the Greek goddess of the hunt. Artemis then acted as a midwife to her mother, to bring her brother Apollo to the world. For this reason, she was declared as the new goddess of the childbirth, taking the place of Hera's daughter Eileithyia. As a virgin, Artemis had interested many gods and men, but only her hunting companion Orion won her heart. Orion was accidentally killed either by Artemis, or by Gaia. The river god Alpheus was in love with Artemis, but as he realized he could do nothing to win her heart, he decided to capture her. When Artemis and her companion at Letrenoi go to Alpheus, she becomes suspicious of his motives, and covers her face with mud, so he does not recognize her. Actaeon was a famous Theban hero in Greek mythology. He was the son of Areiteus, a herdsman, and Auton. He was the pupil of the centaur Chiron. One day, Actaeon was on his way to hunt with his pack of hounds. He decided to relax by a nearby pool. Actaeon accidentally saw Artemis bathing naked, in the woods surrounded by her nymphs. Amazed by her beautiful body and divine grace, he couldn't help staring. When Artemis became aware of this intrusion, she got furious, and punished Actaeon by transforming him into a stag. Actaeon became fearful and fled away, but his own hunting dogs jumped on him, and tore him to pieces, thinking that he was a real stag. Adonis was the son of Dyaus, king of Syria, and was considered the god of beauty, and was also the mortal lover of the goddess Aphrodite. He died during a hunting spree, when he was attacked by a wild boar that was sent by Artemis. Adonis was punished by Artemis because he had arrogantly boasted that he was a better hunter than her. Orion was a handsome huntsman, born in the regional unit of ancient Greece called Boeotia. One day, while hunting in the forest, Orion saw the young and beautiful Artemis, who was also out for a hunting session. Before long, they became each other's hunting companions. Hunting together, they challenging each other to races and archery contests. However, Apollo, the twin brother of Artemis, grew possessive, and disapproved of their friendship. He feared that her sister might fall in love with Orion, and marry him, despite her vows of chastity. Therefore, Apollo hatched a plan to end their friendship, and sent a giant Scorpio to kill Orion. On the other hand, Apollo visited his sister, and lied that Orion raped Bus, one of her Hyperborean priestesses. Enraged and furious with anger, Artemis speeded down to the sea, and loosened her arrow, aimed to slew Orion. Soon, she realized her mistake, and with great sadness, she put Orion's body among the constellations, as a tribute to their majestic friendship. Callisto was the daughter of Lycaon, the king of Arcadia, and a nymph named Naiad. She was one of the female huntresses who accompanied Artemis, and she was also considered her most devoted attendant. As a companion of Artemis, she took a vow of chastity, and agreed to remain virgin. As she was a beautiful maiden, Zeus wished for her. One day, when she was separated from the company of Artemis and other fellow nymphs, Zeus approached Callisto, disguised as Artemis, in order to lure her into his embrace. As a result of this encounter, she became pregnant with his child. The subsequent pregnancy was discovered several months later, while Callisto was bathing with Artemis. Outraged at Callisto, for breaking her vow of chastity, Artemis transformed Callisto into a bear, as a form of punishment. Artemis plays a minor role in the Trojan War. Since Apollo was the patron god of Troy, and favored the Trojans, she also took the side of Troy. Just before venturing out to Troy, King Agamemnon had shot one of the sacred stags of Artemis, and boasted about his hunting skills, being better than the goddess. Displeased by the act, Artemis becalmed the sea, and stopped Agamemnon's voyage to Troy, as form of punishment. An oracle came and told Agamemnon that, the only way to convince Artemis is to sacrifice his daughter, Iphigenia, to the goddess. Bloodthirsty about going to war with Trojans, he lied to his daughter about getting married to Achilles, and offered her for sacrifice. However, Artemis, being a patron and protector of young girls, substituted a stag in place of the girl at the sacrificial altar, and made Iphigenia a priestess. One of the largest temples built to Greek god or goddess was the Temple of Artemis, in Ephesus. It was so impressive that it was named one of the 7 ancient wonders of the ancient world.